శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. శ్రీమాత్రే నమః. వెల్కమ్ టు వేదజనని నారాయణీయం దశకం 14 శ్రీ కపిల చరిత్రం. దశకం 14 will be chanted in వృత్తం వసంత మాలిక. శ్లోక 1. హే గురువాయూరప్ప, స్వయంభువ మను son of Brahma spent his period called Manvantara, consisting of 71 4-yuga periods, without any problems, meditating at your feet and narrating your glorious history and worshipping you, Krishna. Samanusmrita tavakanghriyugmah samanu पंकज संभवांग जन्मा निजमंतरम अंतरायहीनम चरितं ते कथयन् सुखं निनाय समनुस्मृत तावकांघ्रियुग्मः समनुपंकज संभवांग जन्मा निजमंतरम अंतरायहीनम चरितं ते कथयन् सुखं निनाय. Shloka 2. Krishna, during that time the Prajapati was named Kardama, who was born from the shadow of Brahma. He followed Brahma's words and became keenly interested in creation. He worshipped you, who were naturally charming, for 10,000 years. Samaye khalu tatra kardamakhyo druhinachaya bhavastadiya vacha dhrita sargaraso nisargaramyam bhagavam stvam ayutam samasisheve. समये खलु तत्र कर्दमाख्यो द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यं भगवं स्वाम् अयुतं समासिषेवे. श्लोका 3. हे गुरुवायूरप्पा, Krishna, you gave a vision of this form to Kardama, like sitting on Garuda, as beautiful as a dark rain-bearing cloud, holding a lustrous lotus in your hand, with your face lit up with a beautiful smile, Krishna. Garudopari kalameghakamram विलसत्केलि सरोजपाणि पद्मम् हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय. गरुडोपरि कालमेघकम्रं विलसत्केलि सरोजपाणि पद्मम् हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय. Shloka 4. Hey Krishna, Kardama was praising you with devotion. You blessed him that he would have Manu's daughter Devahuti as his wife. You also blessed him that he would have 9 daughters, and you yourself will be born as his son Kapila. And also you gave him the boon that he will get the ultimate place in heaven. स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भुः. स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां न वापि पुत्रेः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भुः. Shloka 5. Hey Krishna, Manu along with his queen wife Shatarupa and the virtuous and excellent characterized daughter Devahuti, as advised by Narada, who was prompted by you, reached Kardama, who was waiting for their arrival. Samanushyatarupaya mahishya गुणवत्या सुतया च देवहूत्या भवदीरित नारदोपदिष्टः समगात् कर्दमम् आगति प्रतीक्षम्. समनुष्यतरूपया महिष्या गुणवत्या सुतया च देवहूत्या भवदीरित नारदोपदिष्टः समगात् कर्दमम् आगति प्रतीक्षम्. हे Krishna, Guruvayurappa, Devahuti, who was a gem among women, was respectfully given by Manu to Kardama. Kardama, who solely was delighted in worshipping you, was pleased with Devahuti by her dedicated service to him. Manunopahritam cha Devahutim taruniratnamavapya kardamosau bhavadarchana nirvritopi tasyam dridhashushrushanaya dadhau prasadam. Manunopahritam cha Devahutim taruniratnamavapya kardamosau bhavadarchana nirvritopi tasyam dridhashushrushanaya dadau prasadam. Shloka 7. Krishna, thereafter Kardama, by the glory of worshipping you and to fulfill the desires of his loving wife, he took on a new body and got an aerial vehicle made, which was full of female attendants and spotted in the garden of the gods along with Devahuti. Sapunastwadupasana prabhavat dayita kama krite krite vimane vanita kula sankulo navatma vyaharad devapateshu devahutya. Sapunastwadupasana prabhavat dayita kama krite krite vimane vanita kula sankulo navatma vyaharad devapateshu devahutya. Shloka 8. Hey Madhava, after spending 100 years and begetting 9 very beautiful daughters, Kardama wanted to take up the spiritual life and retire to the forest. Yielding to his wife's wishes and eagerly your birth as the son, he continued to stay at home. Shatavarshamatavyatītya soyam Navakanya samavapya dhanya rupaha Vanayana samutyato pikanta hitakritva jananotsuko nyavatsit. शतवर्षमतव्यतीत्य सोऽयं नवकन्या समवाप्य धन्यरूपाः वनयानसमुद्यतोऽपि कान्ताहितकृत्वज्जननोत्सुको न्यवात्सीत्. Hey Krishna, to Devahuti, who on the advice of her husband was ever engaged in worshipping you, you were then born as Kapila in order to teach mankind the means for the attainment of the supreme reality and its basis. निज भर्तु गिरा भवन निषेवा निरतायामत देव देवहूत्याम् कपिलस्त्वमजायथा जनानां प्रथयिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम् निज भद्रुगिरा भवन निषेवा निरतायामत देव देवहूत्याम् कपिलस्त्वमजायथा जनानां प्रथयिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम् सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द. Shloka 10. Hey Mahavishnu, manifestation as Kapila, Guruvayurappa. Kardama then gladly went to the forest. You taught your mother all the spiritual truths underlying religion. Krishna, you please eradicate all my ailments. वनमेयुषि कर्दमे प्रसन्ने मत सर्वस्वमुपादिशन् जनन्यै कपिलात्मक वायुमन्दिरेश त्वरितं त्वं परिपाहि मां गदौघात्. वनमेयुषि कर्दमे प्रसन्ने मथ सर्वस्वमुपादिशन् जनन्यै कपिलात्मक वायुमन्दिरेश त्वरितं त्वं परिपाहि मां गदौघात्. सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द. I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.